Alright, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to build fully automated affiliate site authority with automated links. Now, in order to build an affiliate site and automation, you need something called blog automation tool or blog automation software, and you need to join affiliate programs. Now, if you don't know how to join affiliate programs, I have made a video about it. You can the link will be in the description. But yeah, talking about this affiliate automation software, what you can do is you can also use the cloud, or you can also use the chat. So whenever you are writing a blog article for affiliates, so what you can do is primarily put the link as affiliate link or CTA link to embed the article. Okay, so this is how you give it whenever you're producing an article, just an extra prompt. So that's all. Or you can also use a tool like AI SEO Writer. What it does is it does a lot of things, and you can see the blog automation right here. So we have every single thing. So whenever you are producing a blog article and you have got so if I show you the integration, you can also click on integration and you have many available CMS right here, and then you can run the campaigns. But yeah, so let me just show you how to automate this. Whenever you're generating an article, what you can do is you can customize before the article is generated. So these are the keywords which are added to generate but not generated yet. So what you can do is you can simply click on edit input, and here what you can do is come to under the structure, and here you can enter your affiliate link. And then we also got the internal linking. You can also input the internal linking as affiliate links. We have got the external linking, and we can say include, and this is how you do it.